Partner Tower, good morning. Archer 33121 holding short runway 2 at Alpha, ready for departure.
33121 by ground, again, Sparkman, good morning to you. Cleared for takeoff for runway 2, proceed on course.
Runway 2, clear for takeoff, proceed on course, Archer 121.
Welcome to the show. Archer 33121 is going in for an annual, and we got a brand new engine going into the Archer, so I figure I would give it a little send-off here. This is a Saturday, and we'll take a peek in there. I got a flashlight so we can kind of see. That's an old engine, and it's got some hours on it. I said a prayer. Let's hope this is an uneventful and a nice last flight send-off here. So I'm going to pick up my pal John in Woodstock, Northeast Connecticut, private airport, and we got permission to land on the runway there. It's a 2,200 foot runway by 75 foot wide. Airport identifier, excuse me, is 64 Charlie Tango, 64CT. I got my trusty little GoPro there set up, ready to go for some filming. Let's say goodbye to the second engine of November 33121, and it'll be about a month or so before we have
last departure out of Hartford with this engine. At least for me. I don't think anyone's flying it tomorrow. Airspeed's alive. Looking for 60. We'll get the rotation going here. I said a prayer this morning, so I'll have a nice flight. The last flight of this number 2 engine here, Archer 33121. All right, come at 2,000. All right, there's our 14. Trim for that. 2.6 out. All right, so we're heading to Woodstock. Airport identifier is 64 Charlie Tango. Field elevation is 465 feet. Traffic pattern is 1460. Runway length is 2,200 by 75 foot wide. They have runway 1 and 19. It's a calm day, so I'm gonna plan on using runway 1. I'll enter on the left downwind for runway 1. That'll be good. That way I can set up, see the field, and just get familiar. All right, got the field in sight. Nobody's on downwind. Woodstock traffic, Archer 33121, entering left down runway 1 Woodstock. Get a heading on 19er. Get flaps 1 in. All right, I got my aiming point. I'm at 1400. Woodstock traffic, Archer 33121, turning left base runway 1 Woodstock. Alright, got full flaps.
Brookhaven traffic, this is 3544 go, about 5 miles east of the airport, going to line up for a 45 degree.
What's that traffic, Archer 121, turning final runway 1 to Woodstock.
Thanks for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I'll be counting the days to the brand new engine of the Archer. I really want to thank my channel members for helping support my channel. If you love aviation and you love my channel, consider joining and becoming a channel member. I'd love to put your name in these end credits. And don't forget to follow me on my socials. I have 3 times more aviation content on there than I do on YouTube. Have a sparkling day.